Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn about a string. So what is a string? So basically string is a set of characters or any text that is called a string. So a string is surrounded by single quotes or double quotes. When we create a string, write a string, that should be always in a string. So if I write a double quotes and this is a string, so this is a string, and you can also create a string in double quotes. This is a string. You can use any of them, they both works fine. So let me print a string. So every set of characters or any text that is called a string, which is surrounded by single quotes or double quotes, that is a string. So let me print this. So when you create a string, that should be always in surrounded by double quotes or single quotes. And you can also save a string in a variable. I will create a name variable and Alex. So Alex is a string, a text that is stored in a name variable. Now I can print the value of a name variable, and that is Alex. So you can create multi-line of a string. So you can also create a multi-line string, but when you are creating multi-line string, that should be surrounded by triple quotes, triple double quotes or triple single quotes. So you should surrounded multi-line string in a 3 times double quotes or 3 times single quotes. Otherwise it will give an error. Let me print this. So it's printing on multi-lines. Or you can also surround a multi-line string in a single quotes 3 times. So it's printing. So basically string is a set of characters. So you can also access the one character of any string. So if I want to access the only A of a string, that is Alex, I want to access the A of Alex. So I can do this by writing name of the variable and square brackets. So in square brackets I have to give an index number. So every string that is created has index numbers. Index number starts with 0. So if we have A that has a 0 index number, and L has a 1 index number, E has a 2 index number, and X has a 3 index number, and so on. So always index number starts with 0. So if I write 0, then it will print the A of the Alex. So A is printing. And if I write 1, then it will print L, because string start with 0. So L is printing. So if I write -1, then it will print the X. So when we write numbers in minus, then it starts from last. I write -1, then it's printing x. So that is a index number. Index number always start with 0. And when we want to access only one character of any string, we use indexes to access these. And you can also concatenate two strings. It means you can also add two strings, first name, last name, John. So I will create another variable, that is full name. So I want to concatenate or add these two variables, the value of these two values. So I will write first name plus and last name. So it will concatenate or add Alex, John, and save these value to the full name. So let's print this. So Alex and John is printing, but there is no space between Alex and John, so I have to give an space. And you can also concatenate or add a string with the variables. So I have given a space, then it will print of it will save first name and a space, then last name, and save it to the full name variable. So Alex and John, it is printing, and that is the space that I have given here. So you can also concatenate strings or variables of strings